Alright, so here is a review about DeepSearch AI app. So, first of all, what is DeepSearch AI? It is an AI powered search slash chat tool that claims to dive deep into web data to find detailed information about people and topics. So here as you can see there are some most search peoples which includes Elon Musk, Playboy Cardi and Taylor Swift and some many more like very famous people, but you can also search for education, public mentions, family relatives, and many more. You can also talk about your relationships and dating life. First, let's talk about its pros. We got like attractive concepts. It gives you like some informations from multiple sources, like it just does some research and give you that. And some users report that it can find basic public profile info. That's good. Now let's talk about its cons. Almost everything is locked behind a paywall with no true free trial. So that's true. If you want to experience everything, you gotta get the pro. If you don't, there's locked. And then results often feel no better than a started or search engine with errors or mixed info. And many users claim that results are very slow, inaccurate, or fail sometimes to find the person or topic searched. And then some reviews call the app misleading or hard to get refunds from. And last but not least, it says mixed legitimacy safety signals in some review analysis. So the conclusion will be that interesting idea, but many users find it overpriced and underwhelming compared with free AI tools and standard web search. So consider trying free alternatives first. So yeah, this was my review about Deep Search AI. So I hope you liked this review.